Olympic sprint double champion Elaine Thompson-Herah has admitted that she is still going through frustration with injuries as she prepares for the World Championships in Eugene, Oregon in the United States this summer. Thompson-Herah will get a chance to test herself on the World Championships track when she contests the 100 metres at the Prefontaine Classic on Saturday, where she's expected to line up against countrywomen Shericka Jackson and Brianna Williams, Great Britain's Dina Asher-Smith, American Shakira Richardson and Switzerland's Mujinga Kambunji are also entered.
I think the entire world knows I'm dealing with an Achilles injury, which is an injury that is frustrating, stressing. My injury does not require surgery, and it is very frustrating. Some days I have to be sit on the side, not able to train, and then I had a rotator shoulder dislocation. I think it's a month ago when I came to Mount Sac, and that was bothering me for some time. I was not able to practice as much as I can, but I'm so determined to compete because I really want to see where I'm at the season right now. I don't have a bye at my trials, so I have to compete just to see where I'm at right now.
And reigning 100-metre world champion Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce says she's looking forward to a fast time in the 200 metres at the meet on Saturday. Fraser-Pryce, who has a bye for the 100 at the World Championships, lines up against the likes of Kambunji and Bahamian Antonique Strawn in the half-lap event.
Yeah, definitely. It has definitely affected my training and how I prepare for the championship. And what's also good is that it's early as well. It's an early championship. So you kind of have to plan. And knowing that I don't have to compete in a 100 at my national championship kind of gives you a little breathing room, because if anybody knows about the national championship in Jamaica, it's hot. So, you want to make sure that you secure your spot and just focus on the World Championship that's coming up.
2015 world champion Danielle Williams will go in the 100-metre hurdles. Jail Hyde and Kemar Mowat are set to contest the 400-metre hurdles, while Natoya Gould will run the 800 metres at the meet.